Hey Chemical Guys family, today we're showing you guys how to get rid of love stains. Let me show you what kind of stains we're talking about. I'm talking about the stains that usually happen back here in the back seat, if you know what I mean. Get your mind out of the gutter. I'm talking about the stains that your kids leave behind whenever you give them juice boxes, milk, all these crackers and cookies. They all stain your back seat. And to clean the toughest of stains from your loved ones, we're going to be using our leather cleaner paired with our horsehair bristle brush to get rid of these stains. As you guys can see, this comes from, we're not entirely sure where these stains come from. I'm assuming from some kind of food or a juice or milk, even from this toddler that's in this car. But you should not leave anything like this on your leather, because what ends up happening is if you leave this on here for a long time, it's gonna permanently etch the surface and you're gonna have a very tough time trying to clean it up and replacing it. And with our Chemical Guys leather cleaner, you're not gonna have to worry about that, because our leather cleaner is great. It's colorless, it's odorless, it's perfect for all types of leather, including genuine, faux, and synthetic vegan leather. And it's gonna do even better with our horsehair bristle brush, because this is gonna allow us to really just get into the texture of the leather and give it that ultimate clean. Up next on the stains that come from the ones that you love are the beautiful kind of stains that are built right here on your rear glass that usually come from your four-legged furry friends who just decide to paint a beautiful mural of snot and saliva all over your glass. This can be easily taken care of with our Chemical Guys streak-free glass cleaner. And then to clean up all the slobber from our furry friends, we're going to be using our streak-free glass cleaner. Now, streak-free is great because it is ammonia-free, which means that it's not going to damage any kind of window tint. So if you have any kind of factory tinted or aftermarket tinted glass, it's going to be completely safe to use on it, and everything is in the name, streak-free. No streaks, no fuss, just crystal clear results. Now, I know how much we all love our morning cup of coffee on our way to work, but in your interior, whenever it comes to spills, it's not a good thing. That coffee, that creamer, that sugar, whatever people are putting in their coffee nowadays, that's not what you want in your interior, because that stuff can often actually stain your interior surfaces. You guys can actually see in this cup holder that there's actual coffee stains on it already, and it looks like very accumulated, so it's going to require a deep clean. But worry not, we have products to take care of this, like our nonsense all-purpose cleaner. Believe it or not, but you yourself can actually be introducing stains on your interior. Let me explain why. So you guys see the steering wheel right here? You guys will see that it has this glossy, patchy kind of look. Your steering wheel should not look like that at all. Let me show you guys what your steering wheel should look like. So if you guys take a look down here where there's not so much contact with the steering wheel, you'll see that this is OEM, it's matte, it's not glossy, it's not patchy looking whatsoever. This is what your steering wheel should look like. Glossy, patchy, no good. OEM matte, very good. So to clean the steering wheel and the cup holder, we're going to be using Nonsense. Now, Nonsense all-purpose cleaner is going to be your best friend when it comes to cleaning any part of your vehicle, because you can use it on interior surfaces and exterior surfaces and so much more. But today we're going to be using it on the steering wheel and the cup holder. So we're going to go ahead and pair it with one of our All in the Details brushes and get that nice deep clean. We just took you guys through an entire journey on how to remove all different types of stains on your interior, whether it be on your leather, on your steering wheel, on your glass, your cup holders, and so much more. Chemical Guys has the right products to keep your interior nice and tidy and ready for any special occasion. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, if you guys want to pick up any of the products that you guys saw in today's video, they're going to be linked in the description down below. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, my job here is done. I'll see you guys next time.